Building $250,000 in just 12 months is ambitious but achievable with the right approach. Here's your roadmap. Month 1 to 3. Set the foundation. Define your niche. Choose a market that has high demand but is not oversaturated. Develop a high-income skill. Learn valuable skills like copywriting, web development, or digital marketing. Create an online presence. Build a personal brand through a website, social media, or a blog. Start freelancing or consulting. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to generate income. Month 4 to 6. Scale your efforts. Launch a side hustle. Use your skills to start a side business. Use affiliate marketing. Promote products that align with your niche to generate passive income. Expand your network. Connect with potential clients and mentors at industry events. Month 7 to 9. Ramp up profits. Increase your pricing. Raise your prices based on your results. Diversify your income streams. Create online courses or offer subscriptions. Focus on customer retention. Keep your customers satisfied to encourage repeat business. Month 10 to 12. Maximize earnings. Launch a signature product that brings in large profits. Leverage partnerships. Cross-promote to reach a larger audience and grow your customer base. Track and optimize. Constantly track your numbers to ensure maximum profitability. Conclusion. Reaching $250,000 in just 1 year requires consistency and a willingness to adapt.